Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha Misra. I'm here to talk to you about. Okay, I'm here to show you all the books that I have got recently. It's like in between the span of 30 days to 45 days, and I haven't shown you all, and I haven't done a book haul. I really wanted to do a book haul where I would like to show you all the books that I have got, and yeah, let's begin. This is none of these books I have bought myself. All these are gifted to me by my friend, and yeah, thank you to that friend who has gifted me all the books. I like to have friends who gift me books. पहली किताब है चुनी हुई कविताएं by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Of course, we all know that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a great politician, a leader of all kind, and also a very great poet. So this is the work. This is the book that I bought, and I really wanted to read this book, and I wanted to expand a little more of my knowledge in terms of Hindi literature, Hindi kavita, apart from Premchand, Sivani ji, Satya Vyas ji, and several other works, Gaurav Upadhyay ji. Apart from all these works, I wanted to read a lot more about the other books and mostly about the poetries, because I kind of find myself not very acquainted with poetry and not very like connected with poetry. I don't really enjoy reading poetry as much as I enjoy reading novels, short stories. So I really wanted to explore some other works as well before deciding it that I don't enjoy it at this particular genre at all. So I wanted to look for more other options and then read it and then get to know about it. सो इसी चीज़ के लिए मैं पोइट्री की वो किताब मंगवाई हूँ, और भी हैं, आई विल शो यू टू यू. The next work is Letters to Young Poet, and this, of course, by Rainer Maria Rilke. And this, I have heard about this a lot. I have um, seen so many Pinteresty and aesthetic videos about some of the points written in this particular book. So I really wanted to read this Letters to a Young Poet. Talking about the cover and the type of book it is, I really don't like it. ये जो पतला सा किताब है, I don't like the cover and the texture of this book. But page, the fonts, everything is really good. So yeah, this is a good one for me. Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory from Structuralism to Eco-Criticism by प्रमोद के नायर पियर्सन्स. और ये किताब मैं बहुत लोगों को recommend भी की हूँ, क्योंकि I have heard a lot about this book and I have studied some of the topics from the book I have borrowed from someone, because I think I'm a little weak in criticism, so I needed a lot more of preparation before appearing for exam. एंड देखो, एंट्रांस एग्जाम्स में क्या होता है कि यू हैव ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड यू कैन आंसर देम ऑल, ठीक है. तो ऑप्शंस होगा तो ऑफकोर्स यू विल नो कि फर्डिनांड de Saussure क्या लिखे हैं, यू ऑफकोर्स नो फ्रेडरिक एंजल्स क्या लिखा है, यू ऑफकोर्स नो एलन सोवाल्टर क्या लिखे हैं, गाइनोक्रिटिसिज्म क्या है, किस टॉपिक के बारे में बोलता है, एंड एवरीथिंग वी नो दैट ऑप्शंस में. लेकिन व्हेन यू हैव टू गिव एन इंटरव्यू, इफ समवन आस्क्स some of the points regarding the like फेमिनिज्म का सेकेंड वेव के बारे में कुछ बताओ, या थर्ड वेव या फर्स्ट वेव के बारे में कुछ बताओ, देन यू नीड टू नो इट इन डेप्थ. तो इसीलिए मैं ये किताब मंगवाई हूँ, सो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू रीड ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड आई विल बी एबल टू कम्प्लीट दिस एंटायर थिंग, सो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू गेट. क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि मेरा क्रिटिसिज्म मेरा वीकनेस है, क्रिटिसिज्म एंड थियरीज मेरा वीकनेस है, मुझे पता है ये चीज़. तो इस चीज़ के लिए आई वॉन्टेड टू फेस दिस कि अब उस चीज़ को वीकनेस ना बनाते हुए आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट, सो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू मेक इट माई स्ट्रेंथ. तो yeah, I like to work on things and make it my strength rather than escaping from the reality that it is my weakness. Yeah, so the next work is The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. I wanted to read this book. I have seen some of the videos from Gilmore Girls. तो उसमें मैंने देखा था कि she was reading The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath, and I have of course heard a lot about this particular book. It is a novel about a poet who tried to end her own life. She was going through some mental disorder, जितना मुझे पता है. So I wanted to read this particular book, so I got it. द नेक्स्ट बुक इज़ मेरी श्रेष्ठ कविताएं. ये मैं बहुत दिनों से पढ़ना चाहती थी. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत स्पेशल किताब है. मैं बहुत दिनों से पढ़ना चाहती थी. मैं हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी की लिखी हुई ढेर सारी किताबें, पोइट्री, सब कुछ पढ़ना चाहती थी. एंड ऑल्सो दिस पर्टिकुलर राइटर इज़ मच लव्ड बाय माई मदर. सो या अपनी सभी काव्य कृतियों में से कवि द्वारा स्वयं चुनी श्रेष्ठ कविताएं हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी. एंड दिस इज़ अ लवली ब्यूटिफुल हार्ड कवर बुक एंड आई लव्ड इट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट. बट मेरा एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म नहीं होना है यार. मेरा एग्ज़ाम से ख़त्म नहीं होता है कभी भी. एक के बाद एक एग्ज़ाम्स देती रहती हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनफ टाइम टू सिट एंड रीड बुक्स. particularly. And at the end of the video, I will also share with you which book I'm reading currently. ठीक है? There are 2 books that I'm reading currently, so I'm going to share that with you. तो ये है शरत चंद्र जी की श्रेष्ठ कहानियाँ वाली किताब, एंड दिस आई बॉट फॉर माई मदर बिकॉज शी इंसिस्टेड ऑन रीडिंग शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, पढ़ना चाहती थी, लेकिन अभी एक भी नहीं पढ़ा है अभी तक उन्होंने. तो या this I'm going to read later on. Or the next book is Letters to Self by Narendra Modi. This is a work translated from the Gujarati magazine by Bhavana Somaya, if I'm pronouncing it right. Letters to Self by देखो इसमें मेरे साथ स्कैम हो गया. स्कैम किसी और ने नहीं किया, मैं खुद ही का. I'm really disappointed from my own self कि भाई how can I mistake this? I really wanted to read. I admire our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi a lot. I respect for the works that he has done, for the steps, very bold steps that he has taken for the country. So I wanted to know more about his past. I wanted to know more about the struggles that he has faced in order to come to this position right now, the position that he is right now. तो पहले से तो ये नहीं था ना, तो he has gone through a lot of struggle. So I really wanted to know more about this particular person, his political career, his historical background and everything. So I wanted to read the autobiography or biography of Narendra Modi ji. If at all आप में से किसी को भी पता है एक अच्छी किताब जिसमें नरेंद्र मोदी सर का मिलावटी नहीं, मॉडिफाइड नहीं, रियल हिस्ट्री उनका जो भी है उस चीज़ के बारे में अगर लिखा गया हो, उनका लाइफ बैकग्राउंड के बारे में लिखा गया हो, तो वो किताब मुझे प्लीज़ रेकमेंड करना कमेंट सेक्शन में. सो द थिंग what has happened is in Letters to Self में साफ साफ लिखा है this is Letters to Self, but I don't know why I thought this is going to be autobiography or biography of Narendra Modi. So I ordered this and I was highly disappointed looking at when I opened the pages. I was highly disappointed कि इसमें poetries हैं, poetries, some of the letters and poetries kind of presentation which was written by Narendra Modi ji in this was written over a span of many years. This collection of poems was first published in the Gujarati as Aankh Aa Dhanya Chhe and has now been translated into English as Letters to Self by esteemed film journalist and historian Bhavana Somaya. So when I get to know कि इसमें मतलब ऐसे letters poetical format में लिखे गए हैं, तो I was really disappointed. Then I thought कि I think I should read it before I judge the entire book. So I opened a particular the poetry or letter whatever, and I read it and it actually is too good. Like of course मतलब जितना मेरा expectations नहीं था नरेंद्र मोदी जी इतना अच्छा poetry या कुछ लिखेंगे, इतना नहीं होता है ना यार. We don't know him as a poet. So मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट रीड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डिसाइड एंड आई विल टॉक टू यू अबाउट दिस बुक इन सम ऑफ माई वीडियो फॉर श्योर, जिसमें मैं बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन दूंगी कि मुझे अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा. नहीं लगा तो मैं कभी भी नहीं अच्छा लगा नहीं बोलती हूँ. सो या वी विल सी. और द नेक्स्ट बुक इज़ खयाम की मधुशाला बाय हरिवंश राय बच्चन. दिस इज़ अगेन अ पोइट्री कलेक्शन and I wanted to give this a read and I'm loving it that there are so many books that I have got in are in hardcovers, you know. This 1 2 3 4 books I have got in hardcover. Yeah, this is all these are all the books that I have got recently and I wanted to share it with you all. And do write in the comment section which is the book that you're reading right now. I am reading A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hosseini, and also I'm reading A House for Mr. Biswas by V.S. Naipaul, and I really wanted to read this book. I have borrowed this book from someone. I've just started. You can see this. I've just started. I'm in page 20 and it is of 399 pages, I guess. So yeah, it is a huge book and I really wanted to read this book. Yeah, this is it. And do write down in the comment section which is the book that you're reading right now and what are the new books that you have bought right now. Or also please recommend me the autobiography or biography of Narendra Modi sir if you know there is any authentic book, क्योंकि मुझे इधर उधर का पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I really want to know the real story and life and background of the leader. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.